guys, it's Grace, and today I'm going to be doing a science experiment like you saw in the beginning of the video. So, let's get started. Yeah. Now, as a lot of you guys know now, I have a science kit, so I'm going to be using my science kit for the science experiments, just to let you guys know. The supplies you're going to need are 2 beakers. So those of you that are new to my channel, you guys probably didn't know, I like the flask. This is my favorite science tool. But those of you that are older to my YouTube that have subscribed to me ever since I've had it, you guys probably know that I like the flask, especially your Unique 13. And last but not least, you're going to need 1 or 2 of these little itty bitty cups. You can find these at the dollar store, Five Below, technically anywhere, any non-expensive store. You're actually going to need a mixing utensil too. Okay, so the liquids you're going to need are water, dish detergent, and yes, I believe you need dish detergent for this experiment, but you can try it with any other soap if you'd like. And lastly, some milk. Okay, so you're going to need the big beaker, and then you're going to get the small one and pour in the milk. Put in about 2 more cups of these. Sorry that I lied to you guys again. So you put 1 more cup of this in, and then you go to 100 on the small beaker. And then you should get the perfect amount. Next, we're going to move this to the side and pour the water into the flask. And then pour it into the little beaker. Put 1 more little cup in because it at least has to be at 150 to 50. So, pour it in the flask. I'm just using the flask because I really like the flask. You really don't need it though if you don't want to. Then what you're going to want to do is bring this here real quick and then just mix it up a little because it has a little bit of milk that was in it already. That's okay, but just mix it up if you want to. You don't have to. Next, you're going to bring the milk in, and then you're going to pour the water in. Okay, now I have my graduated cylinder and this to the side. Sorry, I forgot to say this, but if I have too much of this, I'll just put it in here, and I don't want to mess up when pouring it, so that's why I have the funnel in it. So let's put that to the side. I want to add 1 more little cup of water to this because I had to pour some out. Okay, so now the final part, and this is the fun part. So make sure you pay close attention. Get your spoon, the end of it, in case some soap doesn't come out. But watch the bottom of this as I pour this in. Well, I didn't mean the bottom, I meant the top. It's all green at the top. So now that you can see it, you can see that there's green on the top and white on the bottom.
Now, if you're a person that likes to mix, then this part is for you. But if you don't want to mix it, then don't watch this part. So, obviously you guys probably know what's going to happen. But get your spoon, put it in, and then just mix it. And it becomes green.
Now that you add your 3 little cups of this, the soap, Mix it some more. And I have some green. And now I am going to add some more water to this, and you will see what happens. Okay, so this is your final product, and I actually just tried that part with the water. I wanted to add a little more water to see if it would fog up or something, but it didn't. And if you guys were wondering about this, I just did that in school. I was bored and I wrote on my hand. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please no bad comments, cursing, teasing, bullying, fighting, you know, all that stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. It's so green. You cannot drink that. No. Wait 1 minute. I wonder what it would look like if I poured it in the flask. Oh, it's creamy. Okay, now bye.